You are about to watch a really rude man fuck up catching a line drive and then flipping someone off, and I think it was a little kid. Yeah. Ow! Oh, little kid got it. Oh, I'm sore. Oh, I'm gonna flip someone off.
Man, you suck.
Oh, that's the bird.
Why did you flip me off?
That's the bird. Let's go back and ensure that that was the bird.
You flipped me off, you son of a bitch.
You flipped that little kid off. Whoops. Whoops-a-daisy. Yeah, we were recording. Okay. We gotta go back because they don't want to show the dude getting flipped off.
You know what? We're not resetting this because we already invested in it. Check this out. Oh, good tackle, you suck. Oh, take that out of there. Hey, buddy, you suck. You would put in.
Boom! That's what you call a middle finger. He just flipped off the little kid in the black shoes. See the little kid with the black shoes, the black shoes that right there. Okay, so to recap, little kid in black shoes gets flipped off because he caught a ball that dude could not catch. What a bitch.
Yep.
One more time. See the kid in his... Oh, that's not the kid. Oh, he flipped off the dude right behind the kid who's probably his best friend and also a little kid who's probably 8 years old and didn't want to hear that or see it.